Where's baby and hippo? Where's the baby with hippo? Do you see the baby with hippo? Where is he? Yeah, of course. What took you so long? Where is Bean eating watermelon?
Bean.
Yeah, that's Bean's eating watermelon. What about? I don't know what else is there.
How about S? Where's the letter S? Raccoon, yeah. Where's the
S?
swing?
Where's
Swing.
S, Christian? Letter S. You just passed it. Oh, you're right there. You got distracted by a raccoon. Where's
Badu?
Going too slow? Oh, yeah. Good one. Yeah, M upside down is Badu.
Badu is W to Christian.
Good job. Where's S?
S.
Yeah, see, you saw that.
Where's the real Badu, Christian?
Yeah, keep going.
Badu.
Yeah, Badu.
Yeah. Where's the xylophone? Xylophone! What letter is the xylophone?
What letter does it start with?
Purple.
Oh, yeah, it starts with a purple key. Yeah, but what letter is that? What letter?
Red.
Yeah, it's red letter, but what letter is it? What's it called?
Chocolate.
Okay, xylophone.
Who's on the last page, Christian?
After Mommy Daddy.
Yeah, there's Mommy Daddy on the last page.
Okay, good job, Chris. Thank you.